all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how we can send real estate Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically. But before we see how this automation can be created, let's see how this automation is going to work. As you can see right now in this spreadsheet, I have only a single lead detail. But now let's say someone is interested, they saw my ad on Facebook and they fill in this lead form. So I have successfully filled in this lead form. So let's just open my Google Sheets, and within seconds and in real time, the new lead details will be added right over here. And yes, you can see the details are added. This is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. So now you have seen the proper working of this automation. Now let's see how to create this. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free, add up to 100 of leads for free into your Google Sheets. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Facebook lead ads, and for the event, select it as new lead instant. Now click on this connect. You have to make sure that you've logged in your Facebook account before starting with the automation. Okay, now what you have to do, you're going to see two options: add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created this connection, just go on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now if you have already created this connection, Pabbly is going to ask you to click on this continue button, and once you click on this continue, your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And if you have not logged in your account prior, first it is going to ask you to log in your account and then only going to get this option to click on this continue. After we click on the continue, now our Facebook lead ads is connected with Pabbly Connect and we have to select the page and the lead gen form. So the name of my page is this Home Hub Real Estate, so I'm just going to select the same. Now for the form, I want to create this automation only for a particular form, so I'm going to select the same. If you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. Now for the response format, keep it as simple and click on this save and send test request. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to open your lead ads testing tool. You just have to open a new tab and search for Meta for developers, and when you're going to search for Meta for developers, it is going to open the landing page of Meta for developers. From here you have to go on this resources and then developer tools. Now you have to scroll and go on this lead ads RTO debug tool and your lead ads testing tool will open. Now what you have to do is just have to select the page and the form which you selected in your workflow. Apart from that, you have to select the product as lead retrieval and then click on this preview form. Now as you can see that this is the form, so I am just going to fill in this form. So for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as new. For the last name, I'm going to keep it as lead. As you can see, for the email, I'm going to keep it as new@pabblytudes.com. This has the phone number and this as the city. Now let's click on this continue and then submit, and we have successfully submitted this form and created a test lead. Now let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture this webhook response right over here. So let's just wait till Pabbly is capturing the webhook response. Once the webhook response is captured, we're going to add the details in our Google Sheets. And yes, I'll just let you know that I've created a test lead right over here. If you want, you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time too. And if you don't want to wait, you can also create a test lead like I did. And yes, our lead is successfully created. So let's just wait till Pabbly is capturing the response for the same. And yes, you can see we have successfully captured the response. Now let's just add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to select select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now you have to select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection, and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. Now once you're going to click on this allow, yes, our Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is new lead details 2. So I have selected these same, and now the name of my sheet is new lead. So let's just select the same 2 over here. And after we select this, let's just move on further and enter these details. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here. I've mapped the first name, last name, email, phone number. Now let's just map the city. So I have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. And after you map all the details, you can move on further and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully added these details in our Google Sheets. And you're going to see the details are added with the first name, last name, email, phone number or city. Yes, the details are added right over here, and yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we learned right now. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials just like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. The workflow URL of this workflow and also the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.